How to delete PayPal account. In order to delete a PayPal account, you'll need to log in. So I'll be using a browser version since it won't appear in the screen. So when you type in paypal.com and log into your account, the home page will look something like this. So once logged in, this is where the interface will take you. Now then click the menu bar from the left hand side corner and go to this gear icon from the top of the page. When you go to data and privacy, at the bottom you could see this option as delete account. Then you want to simply go ahead and click on close or click on close account. Here you have this delete or close your data. You simply want to click that out, read the terms and condition, and if you're sure about or agree, then you want to simply click on delete PayPal account. And this is how you could delete PayPal account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.